Hello, this is Jose. Does your audio sound like this? Does it have a lot of noise? Then stay tuned to see how we can reduce this just using software. The first software that you require is Ableton Live. This is a bit costly. You can go and download Coelho Sampler. It is $3.99 and it comes with a free copy of Ableton Live Lite. Sounds like a good deal, although I haven't tried it. We need another software called ASIO for all. If your mic doesn't support ASIO protocol, you can use this so that your protocol will be converted into ASIO. And after that, you can download Synchronous Audio Router. It can be downloaded from here. So there is an SS and you can download, and you may be required to run this command for this to get installed. So this is Ableton Live Lite. First we need to do is go to the preferences, go to ASIO, select ASIO, go to hardware setup, select the device, and then go to synchronous audio router, go to hardware select ASIO for all, and add a device with recording and give a name for this 2-channel audio input. And we need to save and restart. Go to the output configuration, select 2 mics. Next thing we need is we need to configure this audio channel. So it should be external in with 1. We need to enable this. Then we need to give the output to the newly created mic. This is the sound from the newly created mic. Now I hope it is enabled in both channels. Next we need few plugins. I'm using the plugins from Waves. The first one is X-Noise. This is the default UI of the X-Noise. First we need to select high. Then we need to learn by keeping quiet. Then we need to move the slider above the red, which is the noise floor, and that will reduce the noise. What we need is NS1. So we have to move this to 50, which I found is comfortable position. This will reduce the noise. The next one that I need to do is PSC mono. So this is just like a thresholding. My voice is always about 30. So I keep it about 30. And then I'm going to give an attenuation of -8. This might have reduced the noise to a larger extent. And after that, I'm going to do is a vocal rider. This is used to keep the volume to a fixed level. This is vocal. You need to change the slider and to keep it to the appropriate level. So this is the output that I use for different chords